Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman Playing the Victim to Get Boyfriend Arrested Doesn't End Well." Man, we see a lot of this a lot of times where, you know, boyfriend and girlfriends are battling and stuff like that or whatever, and female cries, you know, plays the victim card, and guy gets locked up. So let's see how this actually turns out. Let's go.
Sir, I'm sorry, please. I just want my key so I can go home, sir.
No.
I'm sorry, I've never been to jail. Ma'am, we don't have shit on. I just got
It's attached to the file.
I don't have nothing. You can pat it down. I don't have shit.
On March 28, 2023, officers were dispatched in reference to an armed disturbance. Here is what happened next.
Come here. Hey, shut up and sit over there. Come here. Come on the sidewalk. Step away from the car. Keep your hands where I can see them. Turn around.
Come check me. Come check me. Since I put my hand on you, come check me. Since I put my hand on you, got a big ass witness right here. Since I put my hand on you, come check me. Since I put my hand on you, since I put my hand on you, since I put my hand on you, big ass witness right here.
Stop yelling. Hey, go over to your car now. Shut up.
She wasn't there in the parking lot.
Ma'am, relax. Relax.
She was not.
Ma'am, relax. Relax.
He got my key. He broke my
Relax.
key. No, he did not. She wasn't there.
Ma'am, stop. Relax. What's going on?
This nigga crashed my car this morning. I told him to get out my shit. He got mad, took my car, and put his hands on me. She wasn't there in the parking lot when that shit happened. She wasn't there. She wasn't. She didn't mind her business.
Can you stop?
She didn't mind her business, her fat ass. She wasn't there in the parking lot.
You can look traffic.
Nah, she wasn't in the parking lot. I don't give a f. He took my key, broke my shit, bro. You broke it. You broke it.
Can you stop? Can you stop yelling? What do you need us for? Because you're not talking to us. You're just here yelling, causing a scene.
Man, she was right here, man. She was right here. Ask her. She seen the whole thing. She
I'm
said I put my,
asking you.
Listen, she said I put my hand on her. She said I took her key. What I did, I walked off. That's when the lady right here seen the whole thing. She asked me, was I okay? I said, stay right here, because my girl lying to me telling me I put my hand on her. I told her to stay right here. I don't even know this lady, bro. I don't even know her. I don't even know her.
Okay, calm down. You have an ID?
No, I can run my name. Hold on. Man, like I said, she was right there.
Stop yelling at her. Let her freaking... Stop responding to her, man. Stop responding to her. Hello, man. What did you observe?
I'm trying to drop him off. I just observed he was in her car and he parked it over here and he got out and she just screaming.
She was out of the car?
Yeah. And then that's it. And he walked on the street, so I asked him if he's okay. Yeah, I'm just telling you, she's right. I wasn't there the first beginning, but this is what I saw. So I don't.
What you saw was her out of the car, him in the car.
Yeah,
he parked
he was driving. He came, he parked it, and he got out and walked. And she was screaming. He got my keys. She got in her car and drove off. I just asked him if he was okay. He was like, stay right here.
Where exactly was she at?
The end of the street.
Outside of the car?
Yeah.
And he was driving down the street?
Yeah, he parked the car on the side of the road. I don't know. I just came and she was screaming, so just stopped to see what was going on.
She wasn't even there.
Yo, she gotta be more descriptive than that. Like, if you gonna stay and be a witness, you talking in riddles. Like, I don't even know what you talking about. Like, it's like she's saying bits and pieces. Start from the beginning to the end. You talking like some, come on. Like, I would look at her like, what? Like, come on, man. You got to be more descriptive than that. What did you see exactly? Like, you talking, oh, you parked the car and she was screaming and I ain't see, like, what?
It was in the parking lot. She wasn't even there, bro. He broke my key. No, he did, bro. He crashed my car earlier. Yeah, you can go by the cameras by the school and see the shit, bro. I'm not lying. It's cameras by the school. No, it's cameras by the school. Yes, it is. Yes,
Ma'am,
it is.
ma'am, give me your ID.
I don't have my ID. I don't have nothing on
Can
me.
you stop yelling?
I'm not yelling. I'm
Yeah,
just
you are. You're
mad.
yelling. You're yelling.
You did touch me.
All right, let's start over. What happened?
He crashed my car. I told him to get out of my car. He took my keys and slapped me. Then he came out. That lady asked him if I'm okay. He did not see who was in the school parking lot, so the school has cameras. They could see everything that happened. That's what he did. Then he put my car
Why
in.
are you still?
He whipped me. He
meeting
got
up
in
with
my
this guy?
car. I'm not dating him no more. I don't go with him at all.
You say this every time.
I don't
and
go
then
with him,
every
no.
time we end up here with you guys arguing in the same area.
Oh, she a regular?
Because he like to take my stuff and break it when he mad at me. If he don't take my stuff and break it, I would never call the police. I didn't even want to call the police. If he just don't take my stuff and break it, I wouldn't have to call the police. But when you take off in my car and shit, I'm gonna call the police on you. He's, bro, I don't care. He's mad because he fucking crashed my car. This nigga did my whole car like this. That's why my shit fucked up.
When did this
He
happen?
crashed my whole shit, bro.
When did he crash it?
I'm talking about multiple times. This ain't the
Because
first
this looks
time.
old. That's all rusted.
He fucked that up when he let it just hit my shit. My car was better than this, bro. My car looked way better than this. He let my mirror, nigga, fuck nigga ain't got no way to get it fixed. Pro ass nigga, dog. Fuck all my shit. My car never looked like this.
You talking about some old injuries?
What happened here today?
Man, she got mad because
Who's she?
my girlfriend. She got mad because I was driving the car. Me and her was driving. We in the car together.
Who's driving?
Her bumper already fucked up on the front.
Who
I
was
was.
driving? Okay.
Her bumper already fucked up. I parked in the parking lot. The bumper hit the top of the bumper had scraped the top of the parking lot thing. Well, you know, it would
The
be
parking,
on the.
yeah.
So I seen when she got out, she seen it was like the bumper was pulled up on her. So I had got out. I fixed it. Then she talking about, oh man, I don't even want to be with you. I don't even be around you no more. You trying to fuck up my. I said, how the fuck am I trying to fuck up your car? If I pulled up by accident and the bumper fucked it up.
Okay.
You feel me? So I hopped out. She talking about, ooh, she think I'm finna touch her. She talking about, ooh. Soon as I hop out, she called y'all. I started walking this way. The lady see the whole thing. She asked me, is on my right? I say, nah, stay right here, because she like the line. Say I be putting my hand on it, anything. So I say, stay right here until the police come. And that's where we at right now. As soon as y'all came, I'm right here talking to her.
All right, so just stay here with us and let's figure this out.
Women do that a lot. They lie. And get the guy in trouble.
Your car been like that, bro.
Okay.
Her mirror fucked off. Her mirror fucked up all that.
All right.
They just gotta ask her questions, all right? Just like we're asking you questions.
If you know this is like how she is and she's gonna lie on you, then maybe as an adult we need to make different decisions.
Who is she to you?
Her girlfriend.
You guys live here together?
We was just together this morning all riding. Then, like I said, her bumper already fucked up. When I pulled up over the parking thing, it had pulled like the bumper out a little bit. So when I got out and fixed it, now when she got upset, she talking about I'm trying to fuck up her car. Fuck, I'm trying to fuck up your car, bro.
Donald, what's your middle initial?
G, Gabriel. Never try to fuck up your car, bro. You made a scene for nothing. Now she trying to lie, talking about put my hand on it. What mark do she got on her? What she hit at?
Okay, calm down. That's why we're here.
Good job, bruh. Good job, man. By having her stay there and
You guys
stuff.
stay together here?
I don't stay with her. Her house right there. She stay with her mom.
What are you gonna do after this?
I'm finna leave. I don't know why she following
I'm
me.
saying, we just want y'all to make sure you guys are separate, that's all.
You want to stay 10, 12 longer.
Yeah.
Pull up your pants, though, bruh. Come on, man. You making us look bad, brother. Come on now.
And they mentioned a gun. Where's the gun?
I don't know, he threw everything. He threw his dope and his gun and shit. He threw everything because he know y'all gonna search him. Like last time he came to my house, they said he had his dope in
remember
and
them,
stuff. Fuck out of here.
From the park over there? This is all old.
I know.
No, what he did. My car would have been looking brand new.
Yeah, but the thing is, you're still...
You're choosing to be around him, right? As an adult, you
I
can
don't
choose.
be around him. Come around him.
Okay.
Oh, God. Yes, yeah, stop hanging out with
This is amazing. Like,
Yes, this is crazy.
what now?
Oh, shit, fighting me. I can grab it.
What happened now?
Like I said, I was driving the car with her. She was on the passenger side. I went.
Do you have her key?
Man, they checked me, man. They just checked me. They just checked me, bro. They just checked me. Like I said, I I pulled over the bumper. The bumper had straight over like this and leaning the bumper up.
Ma'am, he doesn't have a key on him. He doesn't have a key on him. We just checked.
So I can fucking go. Where did you put it? It's not saying my keys in it. It's not. All right, bitch, I got you, bro. All right, Don. All right, bro. All right. My shit's not in here, Don. All right.
They already searched me. They did. They got to do, man.
Nah, I believe him. I ain't gonna lie. I believe him.
You call troll, Dirk.
Listen, for the love of God, did you throw these keys?
All right, so,
did you throw these keys anywhere?
Man, listen. She had her keys. When I got into her, I hopped right out her car, man, cause she was trying to call.
Where did you hop out of the car?
I don't bond. I ain't got time.
Where did you hop out of the car?
Over there, right up there. That's where she seen me at. Right up the road. Right up, literally, where that school bus at.
Is that where the keys are?
The key got to be in the car, bro. Like I said, I didn't grab the key. The key.
Does it say the key is in the? Sometimes it'll say the key's not in the car.
It's not hazardous at all.
Huh?
Fucking wire hanging out. She found it?
Don, give me my keys. Yes, you did. It's not in here. Yes, you did.
Listen.
Stop that my key. I'm not fucking playing. Give me my shit.
Yeah.
Please stop yelling.
You got my house key too, Don. Give me my stuff.
Listen, we checked him. He doesn't have a key.
He hid it somewhere. You know my mom don't play my fucking house key, Don.
Huh? I don't even know who they are. They were just here.
She is a lady that he asked to follow her here because she makes claims that he puts her hands on her. And she said, follow me here because she's going to say I put my hands on her. And we saw everything.
You just hop right on the phone. I left. I know I'm not done. I don't got time. Yes or no?
Nothing?
Did you get a statement from her?
Guys, we gotta make better choices, man. We can't be dealing with this, man. And he gotta level up as a man, to be honest.
Don, give me my key. I'm praying you got my house key, bro. I just want my shit so I could go. Give me my house key and my key. Yes, you did. You put it somewhere, Don. You did.
It's
Bro,
gotta
give
be
me my
disorderly,
shit,
man. She
Don.
yelling too much, bro.
What the fuck am I going to jail for, bro? What the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do? I didn't do nothing. This fucked up, Don. I didn't do shit.
Stop yelling.
You took my key, Don. This is all your fault. I've never been in jail.
You're being placed under arrest for disorderly conduct.
For what, sir?
For screaming when I told you to stop screaming. I don't care.
Don, I've never been in jail, Don. For real, you gonna do this thing?
What I say, like, yo, this gotta, she yelling so much, like my ear is booming right now. Like that's gotta be disorderly, bro. The whole time she's just yelling, man. And as a man, bro, first of all, like, bro, pull up your pants, bro. Like, you, come on, like have some respect for yourself. And why are you dealing with this? Like, this is garbage. She's trash, bro. Like, the hood, Ratchet, like, whatever. As a man, whatever. If you've come from the hood or whatever, you know, the little Ratchet joints, whatever. They could be little sliders and stuff, but like, come on, bro. You cannot be messing with this. And then you know that she do false claims about you hitting her. Come on, why are you dealing with this? Why are you setting yourself up to possibly go to jail? Most cops, they believe the woman's story. You know what I'm saying? They cry and they, whatever, you know, and he gonna get locked up. You know what I'm saying? Like, luckily, that lady was there and everything like that or whatever, because sure enough, she made a claim that he hit her. You know what I'm saying? Like, no. Like, whatever. He ran over the curb, boop, try to pop it back in. Because I've done that before, too. You know, you hit the little curb or whatever or something, and the bumper pops out a little bit. But all those parts, they like plastic pieces. So you can just, boop, pop it right back in real quick. And it's valid. And this all stirs up to nothing. You know what I'm saying? The nonsense, bro. You calling the cops saying that he hit you? Come on, bro. You got to do better as a man. and get away from this, bro, and start having some self-respect for yourself. This is crazy.
I ain't never been in jail, dog. I got my son, dog. I have my child, dog. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. I have my child, bro. This is fucked up. I have my child. You know this, dog. I've never been to jail. This fucked up, dog. I swear, dog. You can't, dog. You can't say nothing else to me.
I gotta fight you.
Nah, the way I shit, that's fucked up, dog. You're really taking me to jail because I argue with you, man. Really?
I'm taking you to jail.
Sir, I'm sorry, please. I just want my teeth so I can go home, sir.
No.
I'm sorry, I've never been to jail. Ma'am, I don't have shit on. I just got I don't have nothing. You can pat it down. I don't have shit. God, I just wanted my teeth.
Does it come off?
But ma'am, yes, you could pat it. I just got my shit done. I don't want it up. I'm sorry. I've never been to jail. Guys, I'm sorry. I swear.
Take it off.
Sir, I'm sorry. I've never been to jail or nothing.
I told you to stop yelling and you just kept
but
See, you're doing it again. You're doing it again. You're not an adult. Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
I'm trying to talk to you.
I don't care. Sit in the car.
Huh? What?
Look, bro, listen, bro. I know she yelling, bro, but I ain't want her to get arrested.
Yes, she is.
I ain't want her.
Do you have papers in a bag?
This is a valuable lesson. Stop calling the cops for nonsense. Cause you going to jail.
I'm standing right here. What do you want? But I don't want you to make it like I'm trying to walk up to the car. You can say it right here. Use your voice. I wasn't trying to do it like even though she called the police, she do gotta get her child from school. I didn't want her to get arrested. Listen, officer, please. I didn't want her to get arrested. It's not up to you. Well, I told her to stop yelling. All right, Dad.
It says no key detected.
Dad, listen. Dad. Let's see if one of them that all came out.
What's up, man? Did you hear or see what happened?
No, I just hear a commotion. But that's the guy who fight. I have a case against him. He fight me.
Oh, okay.
He fight me too.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
This place is amazing. Jesus Christ. Ma'am, were you outside at all? Did you hear or see anything?
My dog got hurt all
Did you hear anything at all?
I just heard.
Did you hear anything?
All I know, that's all they do.
Did you see keys on the ground by any chance?
I know this.
I live right here.
She was charged with disorderly conduct, but the charges were later dismissed. Do you think her boyfriend should have defended her innocence, even after she tried to